Fine, it's either video game marathon or music. As the end game boss, video game marathon loud house has decided 6 to 7 p.m. music. Because I will sleep at 8 or 9 p.m. because I have a way to do so. For tomorrow, 6 to 7 a.m. wall call. Because I will wear yellow t-shirt for CCIA. None was on CCIA. Yellow t-shirt na. Dinani polo yellow. And if I didn't sleep for 8 or 9 p.m. exactly, things are supposed to get worse. I wish Loud House will never exist in the first place. So, this video came out on kanina. I just heard that solo, like, small. Tatsunok ng TV karaoke. Tatsunok na Bamboo Manyala. Okay, if the Loud House or someone, again, video came out on, I will kill JV. I won't say again, that's sharp object. Okay, Jimmy, that's sharp object. So please, kung weekends na ng video came out on, ayaw pagkasala ng Loud House kayo. I will kill JV to sing on to with a sharp object. And since the Loud House just summoned last night, the singing marathon or the video game marathon Loud House was officially ended by me. So I just summoned it. Right? Get away from me. You let the drunk singer sing. I let you suffering the whole 1 hour thing. Imagine may bagyo. What do you do? Some video kung marathon kung may bagyo. Yes, at most exact time, maban out. What do you do? Someone what video kung marathon, right? Okay, there are 3 reasons. Linog video ke, bagyo video ke, tapos nanot ato na sa blackout or burnout video ke. So what's the problem with those 3? With those 3 are probably one of the best reasons that I will summon them. You think you're going to summon the video game marathon when nag-earthquake, na-bagyo, that's made a burn out. Don't forget about natural disasters or man-made. Yeah, those 4. Also, I even included the man-made or natural disasters. It will happen here. Kunwari, magnitude 8.1 didi. What do you do? Evacuate sa sports center. Tapos, didi, having fun. O bagyo, nanuman. Kung super typhoon, nanuman. Pero kung super typhoon, mas hawa na dito sa Visayas o Bicol. Do you think Bicol will just like? I think so. Kung ma-burn out na ni during the typhoon or earthquake, what do you do? Who made a video come out on? Then go summon. Yeah, all 4 reasons, bad condition, summon will be way worse than the contingency contract.